Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're having a wonderful Friday evening. Now, I am so excited because today we have both of the February Target beauty boxes. You guys, these are only $7. I love these boxes so much. Before we really dive into this, first, again, let me say welcome. Thank you for being here. I do appreciate it. If you are new, my name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do beauty, lifestyle, home decor, fashion, accessories, a little bit of everything. We do makeup hauls, giveaways, live streams, some sneak peeks. So if you enjoy that kind of content, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. But the Target beauty boxes, so they're $7 a piece and they're not an actual subscription. You actually have to go onto Target's website. Usually it is the first or second Monday of the month. It happened to be the first Monday of the month this for February. And I try to always post on my community tab if, when they go live so you guys can pick them up because they have been known to sell out. However, I do think Target is getting a lot better with having enough to supply so they don't sell out because they just sell out very, very quickly. But again, they're $7 a piece. And one thing also that I love is you get to actually see kind of what's in the box. So you know what you're getting and you can choose to purchase or not. So I love that. I do also want to remind you guys before we actually get into opening these, we do have an active giveaway. It will be linked down below. But let's go ahead and we'll start with, I think this was the Kiss Me or something, but you can see obviously appropriate for February. It has lips all over it. I do want to say, if you notice, I have a little bit of teal eyeshadow on because I am rocking my brand new Southern Mom t-shirt from Tracy She Crafty. She's amazing. I love it. It is so comfy and she made this for me, so I have a shirt with my channel name. So definitely check out Tracy if you have not already. Again, She Crafty is her YouTube channel. She is amazing. But let's get into the lip box. So it is Pucker Up. That is, okay, Pucker Up. The secret to keeping your lips looking plump and luscious, treating them with some tender love and care, and the right products, of course. From a cooling gel mask to a vibrant matte lipstick, we rounded up our fave finds that'll keep your pout perfectly kissable. So on the back, it does go over all of the items. Let's get in here. It's all in burgundy tissue paper and see. So the first thing I see here is from St. Ives. It is a lip scrub in sweet passion fruit made with 100% natural sugar. And this says, vibrant exfoliating scrub polishes away dullness to reveal super soft, smooth lips. So we all know a good old sugar scrub. Love them. All right. And then we have got, this is from Sexy Mother Pucker. Soap and Glory Lip Plumping Gloss, Plums Up. So, and it's actually kind of sparkling. This plumping gloss glides on so lips feel soft and look ravishing. Featuring our trademarking lip plumping technology to add extreme volume and moisture, making lips feel instantly fuller. Definitely something to shout about. Then we have, what are you? Oh, I'm excited. Okay. 12 NYC Perfect Pout Cooling Gel Lip Mask delivers cool, soothing relief for a moisturizing at-home spa experience. And this says, Pucker Up. This cooling gel mask may help to soothe lips and lock in moisture all day. To cool mask, place in the refrigerator for 1 hour or freeze in the freezer for a minimum of 30 minutes. Place mask on lips for 10 to 15 minutes for best results. Use mask after applying your favorite lip scrub and moisturizing products. So this is literally like a reusable, let me open this. This is literally a reusable gel mask for your lips. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. Is that not the cutest? I love it. I love this. Okay. All right, let's move along. We also have, this is from Milani. This is a bold color statement matte lipstick. Hyperpigmented formula, bold color in just one stroke, up to 8 hours of smudge-proof wear. Easy Glide formula is infused with Monoi oil to keep lips hydrated and kissable. And it is in the shade I Am Confident. Ooh, they weren't kidding when they said a bold matte. So that is definitely a bold color. And then we have from Burt's Bees, a lip shimmer in peony, enriched with shea butter, beeswax, and antioxidant-rich fruit oils to moisturize, nourish, and soften lips naturally. Lip shimmers glide on with the perfect complement of moisture and touch of color. The 100% natural moisturizing lip tint has a smooth texture that looks great alone or to layer it with your favorite lipstick. So I am super excited about this. I love Burt's Bees products, and I think that this being a more natural color is awesome, and I can't wait to try this. And then we have, gosh, this box for $7, like, wow. Then we have from Dr. Bronner Lip Balm. This is in peppermint. Rich blend of jojoba, avocado, and hemp oils. Keep lips soft and smooth. So there is that guy. Can always use a lip balm. I like peppermint lip balms too. And then the final item is also from Burt's Bees. And this is a moisturizing lip mask. Single-use lip mask moisturizes and hydrates instantly and defines your lips with a blend of natural ingredients, including Metaform, seed, and almond oils. This 100% natural hydrating formula leaves behind soft, smooth, and nourished lips. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products in this box that was $7. You can't beat it. I think this is honestly one of the best Target beauty boxes I have seen. Now we have the other box here, and this is the Self-Love box. No SO, no problem. February may be the month of romance. Oh, so no significant other. No problem. February may be the month of romance, but you don't need a boo thing to feel the love. Instead, indulge yourself with these hand-picked products that will give you the dose of TLC you deserve. All right, so here we go. So we have one item here. This is from the Mask Bar. This is the Silver Foil Peel Off Mask. And that is what it looks like right there. Peel Off Mask enriched with natural ingredients helps brighten and soften skin for a smooth, glowing complexion. So there is that guy right there. All right, and then we have from Aveeno, Cracked Skin Relief, Cica Balm. Oh, okay, what is... Moisture-rich triple oat complex helps shield skin from winter's drying effects so you can wave goodbye to chapped, cracked skin and say hello to all-day moisturization. I'm just going to put a little bit here on the back of my hand. Ooh, that little bit went a long way, and it literally, it feels thick, but it spreads thin, if that makes sense. It's not... Like, a little bit goes a long way, but it's also got a thick, really moisturizing feeling. And it honestly put a little bit of a sheen on my hand. Like, okay, I see you, Aveeno. All right. Then we have, let's see, let's take this off. I love that Target does this. This is from Uni. My Ohm World Calming Aromatherapy Body Mist. Aromatherapy body mist made with 100% natural essential oils helps you relax, refresh, and reset wherever, whenever. I'm actually very happy to see that this doesn't have lavender in it because I'm not a huge fan of lavender. So let's see what it smells like. I'm so calm I dropped it. It smells good. I definitely do smell the sage, but it does smell good. And honestly, it really is kind of like, I like it. Okay. I dropped it, but it'll be all right. I'll pick it up later. Like I said, I've said in many videos, it wouldn't be a Southern Mom video if I didn't drop something. Stumble over my words, you know, who knows? I do all kinds of crazy mess. Next, we have from Pacifica. I love Pacifica. Island Vanilla Perfumed Hair and Body Mist. Inspired by the luscious Tahitian islands, this alcohol-free mist blends sultry vanilla with notes of honey jasmine and a touch of fruitiness to leave you smelling beautiful from head to toe. Formulated without parabens, phthalates, and propylene glycol. And I do love that Pacifica is vegan and cruelty-free. Let's give this a good old smell. What? That smells so good. That is going in my purse or in my car, one, so that I have something on the go, because it's obviously a great size, to refresh myself because it smells fantastic. All right, and then we have from Village Naturals Therapy, Fast Relief You Can Feel. This is Aches and Pains Muscle Relief Concentrated Mineral Bath Soak. Powerful therapeutic blend for muscle and joint discomfort, sore, tired feet, on-the-go relief. It's got Epsom salt, menthol, and spearmint. Now, I could benefit from this because if you've been with me, you know I have RA and fibromyalgia. However, I think I'm actually going to wait and let my husband use this because he is a lineman, so he has to climb power poles and stuff all day, and his back and his legs have been bothering him lately because of the cold with that. So I think I may save this and let him give this a try. All right, and then from Cubella, Radiance Boost Shimmering Cream Mask. Shea and coconut butters help soften and moisturize the skin, while shimmering particles reveal a radiant, bright complexion. So a good old cream mask. And then, oh, is this going to be like, oh my gosh, I just got, okay, is this seriously? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, I got them out. You guys, remember the lip mask in the other box? 12 NYC Bright Eyed Cooling Gel Eye Pads. Deliver instant relief to soothe, refresh, and reduce the appearance of puffiness around the eye area. This is so cute. I'm like legit probably going to put this and the lip mask and then end up sitting on the couch and have glittery eyes and look like an alien or a bug and have the pink lips going on. So in this box, we got the iPads, the Aveeno that feels fantastic. We got the Pacifica Island Hair and Perfume Mist. We got the Muscle Soak that will go to my husband. We got the Calm Air Spray that I threw on the floor. We got the two different masks. We got the Mask Bar Peel Off, the Silver Foil Peel Off, and then we got the Cubella Radiance Boost Cream Mask. So I think both of these were absolutely fantastic. And in all honesty, I truly think that these are two of the best Target beauty boxes I have ever seen. So I will put a link down below to the Target Beauty Box site so you can go straight there. As far as I know, these are still available, and again, they're only $7 a piece. Definitely, if you like these, grab them up because these are both amazing. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.